Good afternoon. It is Sunday and I am going out for another e-bike ride. It is currently +3, but it is raining and it feels very cold. I'm still gonna go take a little ride anyways. My visor on my helmet's very wet. I got a mirror today, so that's gonna be excellent and help me survive traffic. You can see me in the mirror now. Hi guys. All right, let's go for a little wet ride. All right, tighten it up. Oh, fuck. So usually stopping for cars like that's not a problem, but today with the wet weather, my brakes aren't stopping that well, I'm not getting that much traction on the ground. I'll be careful. My camera lens is really wet. I'm not sure how that's going to look. Oh yeah, this mirror is awesome. Generally, I stay to the right side of the road. This left side mirror is going to generally do everything I need it to. Maybe next time we come down Queen, we should play a game of Count the Dispensaries. I think I definitely counted at least 5. I wasn't even trying. wanted to go down to King, we're gonna have to go through this construction. Not a big deal. Surprised you can't see the CN Tower from here. I guess all these large condos are blocking our view. Alright. Definitely through here. There we go. That guy was waiting. He knew I was coming through. That was bad. Way to go. Okay. That's an interesting place to reverse. What the fuck, man? You're U-turning. That's fascinating. Alright. I'm not gonna worry myself about that. Take your best. So the reason that I like taking King, and that it's normally really good for cycling, is cars are not supposed to go more than one intersection without turning off this road. So yeah, like that white car probably go from here to that intersection, and then it's legally not allowed on here anymore. Right, let's see. The mirror's telling me I'm good. Alright, I'm having fun. I'm enjoying the weather out here. I'm getting used to the rain. I think we can go a little bit longer and make this adventure a little more fun. So what I will do is go through Exhibition. And I will take Strawn. I'll hang left on Strawn. And I'll go through the Princess Gates. I'll go through Exhibition. I'll go under Exhibition Gate, up down. Alright, people getting off the streetcar. Yep. Go down.
504B.
Stop for the streetcar. I don't think most cyclists do, but I'm a law-abiding cyclist. We're not gonna make that. All right, let's do a bike check. Stand. Oh, nice. It's actually looking pretty good. It was really dirty when I started, and the water has cleaned it off a bit. Kickstand. There we go. on. So we're gonna go left. My mirror's looking good. I'll turn like a car. Back on Strong. To our right is Liberty Village. About to go over the main set of rails that goes into Toronto up the Union. Starting to rain a bit harder. Really hard. Maybe I should have called the clip when I had a chance. Alright, whatever, we're doing it now. I recognize this area from my second video where we went straight into the lakeshore. We passed a Ferrari over here. This time we're going to go right into that exhibition. This is the Princess Exhibition gate on my right here. Go into that. And, maybe I'll get a thumbnail for the video here. Here's my kickstand. Nice. I think that's a nice little picture there. $19.79 exhibition. So we usually grab a thumbnail out of that. Back up a little bit. Maybe next time, bike through the rain, I'll bring a rag to wipe off my camera. Okay. Off we go to the exhibition. I was here in 2019 when the Raptors won the NBA championship, and I got to see the parade come through here. Extremely fun. This is the Hotel X. Right now the Hotel X is closed and being used as a temporary COVID hospital. Things are getting seriously wet. You can probably see my screen, my pants, everything's very wet now. So, we're going to go right through exhibition here. out on the Dufferin, back to Lisgar and Emmis. Generally, it's probably not a good idea to ride your e-bike in the rain. But we kind of got caught in the rain. It wasn't raining when I started. At least it wasn't raining like this. And I mean, it seems to be doing really well. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to probably clean my bike and work at those fender supports. Try to re-clamp them on there. So I think that's what was making noise when we were riding around earlier. We're coming across here. Pedestrians and cars. So here in Exhibition, there's a bunch of basketball courts you can go to and play. Just on our right here. Up ahead, we got Medieval Times. You can go to, wow, okay. I think you should stay in your lane. Yeah, Medieval Times. You can get dinner and watch medieval tournament. People sword fighting. Oh, here's my friend. Revving McEngine. Alright. No reason to do it. Got our court services. Oh, there's a lot of horse poop here. In Exhibition, we have some horse stables. We have mounted police units that keep their horses in there. But yeah, it's seriously raining now. Pants are completely soaked through. I used to actually do bicycle courier here in the city, and I'd have to bike every single day, no matter the weather. And I had a nice pair of slush pants for when it was raining or snowing, to keep me dry. I might have to resurrect the slush pants if I'm going to be driving in all sorts of weather. It is kind of my turn to go. Alright, we're gonna jump back on the King. Go under the bridge. Get back to Lisgar Park. It is raining for real right now, not even a sprinkle, it is a downpour now. I'm gonna get this bike back, keep it dry. Oh wow. Just got blown with a really strong gust of wind. I could actually feel it move the bike on the road. I can't see the light at all because of the clouds. fast. The wind is really cold, and you're soaking wet. It's definitely really, really inhospitable out here. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop this light. It really sucks. I think we can probably cross. Let's see. Who was after this car? Yep. Let's go. Yeah, a couple seconds of being dry on this bridge. Yay, it's dry. Left. I don't see anybody in my new mirror. Alright. Danger, danger. Alright, Lisgar Park is just around the corner. Try to find like a little overhang or something to end the video. These fat tires are pretty awesome. I think they're gripping a lot better than my normal road bike. This way. Ooh, my wet gloves. With all this wind, my fingers are frozen. Alright. Lisgar Street. Alright. Oh yeah, that's right. Alright, there we go. Oh yeah, that hopped the curb nicely. Very good. Here. Alright, and this is where we started the video. Pulling the ice. We started right here. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. I had fun driving through the rain. Hopefully you know that an e-bike can now go through the rain without too many problems. So until the next Neon Tom e-bike ride. I think I've got a title there. Neon Tom e-bike rides? Yes. See you on the next Neon Tom e-bike rides. Bye, guys.